Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can unzip file in Google Drive. So this is our zip file, and first you need to find out your zip file. Now here click on three dot icon and hover on open with, and here click zip extractor. This is Google zip extractor and it's free. So now we have to authorize this. Authorize zip extractor, click on this. Now you have to select your Google account. Select it. Continue. Allow. It's now extracting, and you have to wait now for a few seconds or a few minutes, and it's depend on your file size. When it file size is bigger than, then you have to wait more time. Now click extract to drive. So now this zip file will extract in our drive. Okay, it's extracted. Now click on view file in drive. Now if I go back our folder, and here you can see two file. One is zip file, this is our zip file, and this is our unzip file. So this is how you can unzip file in Google Drive. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.